Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. See, now on the Department of Chemistry as well as रयत शिक्षण संस्थास SHGM College Kopargaon, I welcome you all at you have chosen chemistry as a special subject at TYBSc. Now you are entered in third year BSc degree program. I am here. Let me introduce my name is Dr. N.M. Chavan, Professor in Chemistry, working at the Department of PG and Research Center at SHGM College Kopargaon. And now I am going to teach you specially organic chemistry, and now you are a lucky student. You are going to face, or you are going to learn the new chemistry. As far as you are well known at SYBSc, you already selected or you are familiar with this system, which is choice based credit system, and that pattern 2019 pattern, and whole world will remember this is a historical year as far as global world is concerned, because there is a pandemic, global pandemic, that is COVID-19. Generally it is originated from China at Wuhan city, and immediately, just like the air, polluted air get spread, similarly that disease is spread, occupied all global city, all the countries are face that problem. But and recently we are in a academic year, so before that let us see the TYBSc Organic Chemistry Semester 5 previously this semester was 4th, because at SYBSC semester 1st, semester 2nd, TYBSC semester 3rd and the semester 4th. Now it is revised because the choice based credit system introduced by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune from 2019, and here which paper I am going to teach is a CH507, the organic chemistry paper number 1. So before that, let us see some introduction regarding that, because most of you may be confused at SYBSC level, because in SYBSC you have different subjects such as botany, zoology, mathematics, electronic, physics, chemistry, and out of that there are groups such as A group or B group, and from A group or from B group at SHGM College Kopargaon 2 groups are there, and from most of A group as well as B group student have the common subject, the chemistry. And as we know that chemistry is a versatile subject, nowadays there is a changing scenario. The population day by day go on increasing, but as the saturation of that any subject is increasing tremendously, there is a less probability. But as far as chemistry is concerned, still today and in future also, there are many challenges before the scientists. But as far as chemistry is concerned, there are a lot of opportunities. You are just like as an all-rounder. You can, after achieving BSc degree, you can have different choices. But if you acquire the BSc with chemistry, then there is a wide range of opportunities you can get. Definitely, I cannot say 100%, but more than 95% student will get the job in any field after acquiring the chemistry. You can do MPSC, UPSC, as well as you can do MSc, or after getting as a MSc you can apply, or after BSc also get, you can go abroad for higher studies like MSc. After MSc there is a research scopes. So, or in a government sector as well as in a private sectors, all the industries nowadays there are a lot of vacancies available. So you can go in an industry and you can work, you can show your best talent and you will get good salary as well as you can live your life happily by choosing specially as a chemistry. And I hope where we are coming back to our SYBSc, there are different subjects. So you have a mixture of the subject. So but now at TYBSc there is a pure chemistry, and in that chemistry there are the different subjects such as physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, industrial chemistry, polymer chemistry, environmental chemistry, drug chemistry, agriculture, and so on. Such type of the different fields are there. So here you have a great opportunity. So here the university Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune why introducing that syllabus, and every 5 years there is a change in syllabus. So accordingly from this year CBCS 2019 pattern TYBSc chemistry, and this college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, shortly SPPU, and now the BSc chemistry 3rd year's integrated degree program. It is 3 years integrated degree program it is. And now here is a choice based credit system. You have a choice here to select according to your choice. You can select the subject. Choice based credit system 2019 pattern, and 3rd year Bachelors of Science from academic year 2021 and 2022 Board of Studies in Chemistry. They have introduced this syllabus from this year. In the teaching and learning of organic chemistry, the impact of introducing mechanistic approach become essential. The mechanistic approach not only explain, interrelates the known fact, but can also predict the possibility of formation of new product. Study of mechanism of organic reactions has therefore become not only necessary but most interesting and highly challenging to the organic chemist. And specially I am going to teach you the organic chemistry. Before that, let us see the how structure of TYBSc chemistry. Specifically, let us see the structure of this TYBSc chemistry, what kind of the paper they have been introduced at this level. Structure of TYBSc chemistry. Here is a structure of TYBSc chemistry. Slowly we are going to what are the changes, what are the structure of syllabus of TYBSc chemistry is made what are the important point, and after studying that particular subject, the student will able to understand what kind of the understanding they should understand. The student will able to develop learn technique, what kind of technique, then laboratory skills, expertise in handling laboratory apparatus, chemicals, as well as they will able to interpret that research information in written as well as in a oral format. So that kind of the overall information we are going to discuss at present. According to CBCS 2019 pattern, according to CBCS Choice Based Credit System 2019 pattern of SPPU, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now the semester 5 here, let us see in a tabulate form we are going to see here. Here is a semester followed by DSEC or SEC, DSEC, DSEC oblique SEC, DSEC oblique SEC. What are their full form, that we will see later on. But here nature, whether it is theory or practical nature. After that paper code followed by code and title, and after that finally credits and lectures, credits oblique lectures. How many lectures and how many credits are given, that we are going to see. Here in a tabulate form we are going to see this. Here let me make very clear so that you can understand. Here the semester 5 you are entering into as a semester 5 here. Now DSEC means discipline specific elective course. DSEC means what? Discipline specific elective course. Oblique SEC means here skill enhancement course, that is introduced at TYBSc level. Along with this there is a DSCC means discipline specific core course, that is already introduced at FY and SYBSc level. Along with AECC Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course, that also introduced at SYBSC level, that some of the introductory part of it you already learned in your lower classes such as FYBSC and the SYBSC. Now you are the lucky batch. Every year there is a new syllabus you are facing, and that's why you have a great challenge. You have learned very new course, specific course of that chemistry special here. Semester 5 you are entering now here, and here the first, let us see here, 2 theory and 1 practical. Here dissects nature of that. Dissect first. Here is a dissect. Dissect first. Dissect first has here theory and another theory, and then practical here. Then practical. Now paper code starting from CH 501, CH 502 and CH 503, and the code and the title of that paper is here CH 501. It means that physical chemistry first. The physical chemistry first, you can call it. Physical chemistry first, and credits, there is a 2 credit for it. Credit 2, and lecture required is a 36 lectures. Theory paper CH 502, which is known as analytical chemistry first. Analytical chemistry first, and again once again 2 credit and 36 lectures. Here 2 credit and 36 lectures. Dictum is same, but practical, here is a physical chemistry practical. Physical chemistry practical, which is first, and that having 2 credit and 73 lectures. Remember, there is a 73 lectures. And once this is a section first we got over here. After that, this is dissects first. Now is a dissect second. In the dissect second, once again 3 theory papers. THEORY theory. Here also has a theory, and here is a practical. And now the course number is code, paper code once again CH 504, CH 505 and CH 506. And here code and the title of the paper here, inorganic chemistry first. Inorganic chemistry first. Here also inorganic chemistry first, then industrial chemistry first. Here is a industrial chemistry first, and here inorganic practical, inorganic practical first. Once again the same thing, credit 2 and 36 lecture, same thing here, but in this case once again credit 2 but 73 lectures. And the third one over here, third one, which is that here DSEC 3, DSEC 3 means discipline specific elective course. Once again two theory papers, THEORY theory and one practical. Here the course number CH507, CH508 and CH509, and here is organic chemistry first, then chemistry of biomolecules, chemistry of biomolecules, and third organic chemistry practical first, biomolecules first. And here the same, it has 2 credit and 36 lectures required to complete that course. And here also once again here is a same, here credit 2 and 73 lectures. So now this is a fifth semester we are discussing. Now let us see. Here I am cleaning that one so that you can stay with this, with your connectivity. Now here the SEC first has one theory only, THEOR theory, and paper code was CH510 means immediately followed by, here up to 501, 501, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 over here. 10, there is a 2 here. The student have a choice. They can select either introduction of medicinal chemistry or polymer chemistry. 510 introduction of medicinal chemistry, medicinal, that is A part, medicinal chemistry, or B part, that is a polymer chemistry, and once again it has a credit 2 and 36 lectures. Similarly, here we can see here only this theory. Let us see once again over here. SEC second means skill enhancement course. Once again that is a theory. In theory, CH 511 that has a environmental chemistry or chemistry, informatics, chemo informatics, that is a 6 second. Environmental chemistry or chemo informatics. Here you have here environmental chemistry, or you have a B, chemo informatics. Same, it has 2 credit and require 36 lectures to complete this one. So in this way, this is the semester number 5. Semester number 6, after that we will discuss that one, but that is in a separate. So before that, let us see the important point regarding this one. So while discussing about the important points, we will discuss in our next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.